Welcome, Matt here from the Mr. Gardener YouTube channel, and today we're taking a look at this, the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 garden shredder. We needed to replace our old garden shredder. It had broken and it was just basically rubbish, and so I went on Amazon, and this one was one of the first ones that came up. It's actually an Amazon Choice product on there, selling for about £170, and I will leave a link to it in the description. It had lots of good reviews, as I say, an Amazon Choice product, so I thought I'd give it a go. So far I've been very impressed by it, so I wanted to do this video, because a lot of these sort of garden shredders, these small ones, relatively cheap, are usually pretty rubbish, and they often just clog, they often fuse, and it's just more of a hardship to use them than actually the advantages that shredders offer, which is quite a lot. As I mentioned, it costs about £170, and there will be a link in the description. It weighs 12 kilos and it has a 2200 watt motor. It has sound figures of 107 decibels, which again are quite low for a machine like this. I will just say, to start with, it is recommended to wear ear defenders, goggles and gloves with this. Particularly wear goggles, because it does like to spit things out the top. With that all being said, let's have a look at the machine itself. The machine comes pretty much fully assembled. You just need to put on the wheels, very easy to do. It comes with about 2-3 meter long cable, which is perfectly reasonable to get in and out of buildings, but you're going to need an extension lead to get any further. It comes with a material sort of tamper down, which fits really nicely into the chute and reaches most of the way down to the blades, so you can clear most of the debris that builds up in there. So really nice. It's nice and strong and sturdy as well, so it's not going to break in the first use, and it fits nicely in the top for storage. The only problem is it doesn't have anywhere to store it when you're actually using the machine. You've got a nice clear on-off switch, which is a twist to turn on and a press to turn off. There is a safety screw on here as well, which means that if that's not done up properly, or the body work's not on properly, the machine won't work. So what can this machine do? Well, this machine can cut material up to about 40 millimeters, which is pretty impressive, but I think it's better in that range of sort of 20 to 30 millimeters, so sort of a thumb sort of thickness. The more woody stuff it doesn't really like so much. It's much better suited to the slightly softer materials, ornamental grasses, autumn and winter clearances of perennials and things like that, and sort of small amounts of brash. That's its sort of bread and butter. It's not really designed that effectively to get rid of those sort of really woody stuff, but it will do it, as I say, up to about 40 millimeters. So any sort of standard garden waste this thing will deal with. The shreddings that it produces are really nice and fine, and they compost down in absolutely no time at all. That's one of the advantages, of course, of shredding. If you are keen on your garden or composting in general, having a shredder is really, really useful to speed that process up. They're a great addition to have in the garden. This one in particular only weighs 12 kilos. As you can see, it's not that big. With the wheels, very easy to maneuver around. Even the sort of trickiest garden, if you've got steps or something, anyone can maneuver this one to wherever you need it. Let's get this cover off and I'll show you the inner workings. So obviously I've pre-loosened that screw, and I really should have cleaned this before I did this video, but as you can see, it's very simple inside. What we've got is a disc which the blade sits on. So the blade is just a simple metal bar with blades on both sides. Now this is quite nice. You can get replacement blades, or you can reverse it, so you get twice the runtime out of the single blade. You can sharpen it with an angle grinder or whatever. Very easy to do. I could do with sharpening the blades myself on this one. They are getting a little bit blunt, but they do last quite a long time, obviously depending on what sort of material you're cutting. Being able to reverse them and replace the blade as well is quite good for most people who are maybe not so keen on sharpening themselves. So that's nice, and they're not overly expensive either. And to replace or change that blade, it's very, very simple to do that. It's just a single Allen key. The top chute is and the bottom chute aren't amazingly large, obviously for safety reasons, but it's remarkable how it doesn't clog. Now, as I say, I've had this for quite a while now, and it hasn't clogged once, and it hasn't fused once, which is really impressive for a machine like this. It just gets the material in and chucks it out. So really I can't recommend this machine highly enough. I've been really impressed by it. Ability to not clog and not fuse has just made it actually useful, and you know, I really recommend it to anyone really. As I say, we bought it primarily just to deal with the garden waste, but we also use it to deal with a bit of waste that we produce from our gardening business. So there you go, there's my review of the Bosch AXT Rapid 2200 shredder. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing for more videos like this. If you've got any comments or questions about the video or the product, again, drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. There will be a link in the description to the product and anything else I've mentioned. And that just leaves me to say thanks again for watching. Bye for now.